Traders, Anthony here, taking a look at the US, the DXY. And I'd like to apologize for my husky voice, and I'm most likely going to cough and splutter. I've got a lung infection at the moment, and yeah, that's probably going to happen through the video. So the dollar index, what has caught my eye with this chart is, this is a macro view, this is a weekly time frame, but I'm always looking out for this price action. We've got a double bottom. It trades down, trending down, and it takes out liquidity resting under here prior to this strong rally. And it is a weekly, there's quite a lot of time involved here, but this is telling me that most likely we are seeing some kind of a base being formed here, and there could be some potential upside. So, I'll be looking for opportunities, dollar pair opportunities. Even gold, the indices, everything hinges off the US dollar. So we've got this higher low here, break of market structure, bullish, higher high. So we can see this is trending up on the higher time frame. Quite a deep pullback down in key level. It's rejected off, back down in here. This bullish order block here, we pull that through, and you can see how it's reacted around that level. My bias is bullish, and with that we'll go down to the daily time frame. Now I've marked up the low of this distribution candle here. I've marked up this low of this accumulation range, and I'm interested in this range between the high and low of this candle pretty much. So that'll be my current trading range. We'll go down to the daily, and what we got here is, on this time frame, these highs being taken out, change in character, and look at this range here and how aggressive this candle is, spiking above and below, taking out stops, wiping out a lot of traders in the process. Now, I've marked up a couple of things here. We see back over here, weekly open and the New York midnight. So we've got Monday midnight, New York, the open, the daily open at this point, and it coincides with the weekly open. It's Monday. I'm really interested to see how this is going to trade around this level, and what I would like to see would be a retrace and then a rally, and then we break these highs. That's what I would really like to see happen. Now what I've done here, I've drawn a bit of a candle. We've got over here the daily and weekly open, and consider this candle a bullish candle. So market opens and we get a wick. This is a stop run, wicks down, and then we see our bullish candles for the week and or the day. Now it's Monday, it's very early in the week, and I'm wondering whether we get a red candle for Monday and then a green candle Tuesday. So consider this either a weekly or daily candle. So it's going to take out stops before we see our candle, our move for the day, the trend for the day or the week. If we go down to the 4H with these levels marked up, this here, by the way, these highs are a target liquidity above here. If it's bullish and we get a break, retest and fail of this level, this will be a target. We've got this thin candle that's a liquidity void through here, and then we've got this balance area up in here. So that would be my target area. Let's just have a look at it on the 4 hour, and I'm really wanting to see something like this. I'll just grab a Fibonacci. We'll go from the low here to the high. Well, we'll go candle wick. So we've had a bit of a pullback down into not quite the 50% level equilibrium. I would really like to see this move down into something like that. That's what I'm looking for. So as I pointed out before with that diagram of the candle, if this is the open, let's see if we get a wick down into this level. A buy around here could be the thing, but you just got to wait for this to shape up and invite you in. So on the 4H or the 1 hour, you can see it. If it trends down and then we get a break of structure and it starts trending up, that could be an opportunity to get long. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So you want to wait today to sit back, observe the markets, unless you're going for a scalping opportunity. But I'm going to be watching this through the London and into the New York session tonight. I want to see how it trades around, in particular this daily, weekly open here. And as I mentioned, if it wicks down and then we see something like this, the retest and fail of that, that's what I'm interested in, this level here. Yeah, and however this shapes up, obviously it's going to impact the currencies, indices, gold, everything. Everything hinges off the US dollar. So we're starting to see a bit of a red candle here. I like what I'm seeing, guys. So this is really starting to play out. Hang on, let me just go down to a 30 minute. So let's just hope that we see more of this trading south, and then it trades up and we retest and fail the this open level here, and hopefully that gives us an opportunity. All right, to be continued. I'll be uploading trade ideas and videos, and my VIP members are getting real-time trade signals. And as I said, check out the link below. There's a 30-day free trial. All right, guys. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.